Levi Chavez case, the jury of 9 women and 3 men spent nearly 9 hours today trying to decide if the ex-Albuquerque cop is a killer, but no verdict. Obviously, they were not overwhelmed one way or another with the evidence. Is that a good sign for the defense? Here's News 13's Amanda Goodman.
Dick, we asked a criminal lawyer exactly that this afternoon. He said in a case of this magnitude, not returning an immediate verdict means one thing.
It's not a slam dunk that for the defense that they're out this long, and it's not a slam dunk for the state that they're out this long.
Day one of deliberations in the Levi Chavez murder trial is in the books with no verdict reached. Albuquerque attorney Usama Rashid says while there are many theories as to what that may mean for either side, to him it means just one thing.
I think the only thing that is the universal truth about a jury not returning an immediate verdict is that it's a complicated case that has not unanimous agreement from the get-go.
Complicated and long. Jurors heard from 40 witnesses over 5 weeks, including Chavez himself.
There are a lot of stories to sort through for a jury.
And it may come down to whose story the jury believes, Chavez or the state's. Chavez says his wife Tara was depressed over his many affairs, their crumbling marriage, and a failed affair of her own, so she killed herself. The state claims the former APD cop shot Tara once in the mouth with his department-issued gun in 2007 to avoid a costly divorce and to shut her up because she was telling people he staged the theft of his truck to collect the insurance money. Rashid says the jury has an extremely difficult task ahead of them, and in this case, taking their time isn't necessarily a bad thing for either side.
If the government and the defense took 5 weeks to try the case, it's not unreasonable to expect the jury to take their time making the biggest decision they'll probably ever make in their life.
Jurors did ask to see some evidence from the trial today. They are not starting deliberations, though, until 1 o'clock tomorrow because one of the jurors has a scheduling conflict. Back to you.